ano mo. Para maganda yung laro niya. Yung music. Sige, start na tayo. Mamaya na yung music. Gumahana pa. Okay, for our first game, start. Sardo. Sa kanya, Sean. On the first one, no good. Number 10. Turn, wrap around on the right side. 3-point paint, no good. On the glass, wala. Sardo Olivia, fast break opportunity to Mr. Long Hair, no good. Kay Rob J. 2 points para kay Sir Rom. On the right side, foul. 2 free throws.
Download ka nga. Scoreboard basketball. Lupat ako? Lupat ba? 12%.
First throw, wala.
Intro, wala. Pasok kuya. 2 points.
Inside, wala. Fast-break opportunity. Other side ball. Ano ba?
Pasok kuya. Free throw.
Torrillo. Shots, wala. Ramsey kinuha ang bola. Chan! No good! Kay Torrillo pa rin. Number 16, no good. Trading, Sean Cleopas. 6-2. Foul. Same ball.
Pasok.
Ito, malfunction yung scoreboard ko. Sabi, sige po, sir. Sige, tuloy lang.
Hindi. Pumasok. 8-2 na. Ha? 8-2.
8-2. Paano? Nasa siya, no? Number 15. Inside to number 10. Go number 15 back. There's a foul. Was called.
Anong pangalan niya?
Function yung ano. Number 15. Number 0, Chen. Foul. Boy, number 16. Arnie. Meron bang foul, holding foul. Meron mo na ka. On the right side. Bill shot, no good. Okay, tuloy-tuloy tayo. Number 16, number 16. To number 18. No good. Tapingan kay number 10. To Chan. Chan, low pass to number 15. And no good. Number 31, Torillo. Behind the back pass to number 16. Back to Torillo. Torillo using his body. No good. Number 10, absorbs. Number 15, nasundan ni Stefano. Number 27, passing on the lane. No. Chan. Drop pass on the right side. Chan faking. Foul was called. Side ball. Score natin mga sir. 8-2. Number 15, 3-point fake, no good. No number 0. Inside, no good. Number 27, crosses over behind the back. Number 16, yes sir. Change court mga sir. Nice shot. Yes, sir. Score natin 4-10. Sardo, Olivia. Good yun, mga sir. Fastball. Olivia and 1. My goodness, Sardo. 12-4. No good, tapikan. Number 15. No, kay number 16. Tornillos. Yes, sir. Wow. 4-4. Last 3 minutes and 15 seconds. What a fade! 16-14. 16-4, sorry. Chan using his body to create space. Once again, using the glass. 6-16. 3-point paint. No good. Last 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Lacerda. Okay lang bro. 3. 9-16. Last 2 minutes mga boss. Sardo. Pull up. No good. Tapigan. Kay Jan ang bola. Jan. There's a foul. Same ball. Lacking foul. Foul on the arms. Yes, sir. First throw. 10-16. Second throw. You. 11-16. Last 1 minute and 10 seconds. Fast break opportunity. No good. Last 55 seconds. Hey, on the move. There's a foul. What's called? Side ball.
Oh.
Sardo Olivia. To number 16. There's a space. No good. Kanino ang bola? Wala. Hey, Chan. 3-point. No good. Kay siya ng bola. Ang tuloy mo bata. Wala. Last 10 seconds. Chan, 5 seconds. Game on. 11-6.